This is an application problem where we're given the equation that will give the balance after T years of an initial investment of $4,000 paying 6% compounded continuously. And so we're being asked to find three things. The first thing is the derivative of A of t. The second thing is to find and interpret what A prime of 8 means. And the third thing is to compare the approximation of 380 to the actual charge. All right, so let's go to the second page because we really don't have enough room here to answer these questions. And I've put a couple reminders on here for us. When you want to find the derivative of e to the u, that's equal to e to the u times du dx. And du dx is the derivative of the exponent. So I've written our original A of t, and we are tasked for part A to find the derivative of that. So we'll have 4,000 times the derivative of the exponent is the 0.06 and then our e to the u. And so that will end up giving us 240 e to the 0.06 t. So that's our answer for part A. For part B, they want us to use the derivative and replace t with 8. So we're going to have 240 times e to the 0.06 times 8. It does want it rounded to the nearest dollar, and the nearest dollar is the whole number. So we come up with 387.857 and more, but when we round it to the nearest dollar, we come up with 388. So pay attention to rounding. Now, what does this mean? So what this means is that the future value of a 9-year investment at $4,000 will be $388 more than the future value of an 8-year investment at 6%. So that's based on the approximation that we came up with using the derivative. We have one part left to go, and they want us to compare the approximation of 388 to the actual change, and they do want 2 decimal places. So since we're comparing the approximation, which we've already worked out, to the actual change, we're going to plug our 9 years and our 8 years into the original A of t shown in black at the top. So we will have A of 9 minus A of 8. All right, so I'm going to plug it right in. A of 9 would be 4,000. E to the 0.06 times 9. And when I plug and chug that, I will get $6,864.03, 2 decimal places, remember. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here, only I'm plugging in 8. So I'll have 4,000 times e to the 0.06 times 8. When I plug that in and round to 2 decimal places, I'll have $6,464.30. And so when I subtract them, the actual value will be $399.73 per year. So a little bit higher than our estimation. I hope you found that helpful.